Hello, students. Welcome to StudyWave Academy, where education is without limits. So let's continue analyzing and looking at what civic education is and all that civic education entails. Now we're going to look at cleaning and caring for items. We have talked about a lot of stuff under civic education. We've understood what civic education is, why it's important. We've looked at orderliness. What is orderliness? Why do we even need to be in an orderly person? Why do we need to maintain our environment clean? We've looked at various many things, and let's continue and now looking at cleaning and caring for items. Now, cleaning and caring for items is a fundamental aspect of orderliness and responsible ownership. It involves maintaining the cleanliness, functionality, and longevity of your possession. So whether they are the household items, or whether they're your personal belongings or equipments, cleanliness or maintaining items cleans, they are very crucial aspect. It's a very important aspect and responsibility for ownership. Now we're going to continue looking at this aspect today of cleaning and caring for items. What items am I talking about here? I'm talking about your clothes. I'm talking about your personal belongings like your toothbrush, your shoes. So how do we clean these items and how do we take care of these items? Okay, so we're going to be looking at this today: cleanliness, and we're going to look at ways we are going to take care of our items. Now let's dive deep and start looking at the importance of caring and importance of cleaning our items. So why should I clean my stuff, or why should I clean my toothbrush? Why should I take care of my toothbrush? So even look at the picture here. I've given an example of a toothbrush here. That is an item, right? It's an item, and this item tells us that we need to take care of it, we need to care for it, and we need to clean it. Now let's dive deep and look at the first importance. Why do we need to preserve, or why do we need to clean and care for our items? So one is preservation of value. If you want your toothbrush to stay longer, or you want your shirt, you love a shirt so much, you have a shirt and you love it so much, and you want to keep on wearing it, and you want it to look new the way it is, you want it to look lovely the way it is, one thing you have to know is that you have to keep cleaning it and taking care of it. It's not just about cleaning. You can just clean and throw the shirt anywhere. It's clean, yes, but it's just where you want it to be. You've thrown it somewhere, or you've thrown it far. But if you want to clean and maintain this shirt and preserve its value, you have to care for it, right? So one importance of cleaning and caring items is preserving the value. Proper cleaning and care can help maintain the value of your item. For example, regularly cleaning and oiling leather goods like shoes and bags can keep them looking good and lasting longer. For example, you have this leather bag and you want to keep it because you love it so much, and you don't want just to keep it, you want to keep it at its state. You want it to look beautiful the way it is, always stay like that, beautiful. So one thing you have to really do is properly clean it and take care of it so that it can keep its value and maintain its look and maintain the way it's looking, and even look better always for a long lasting time. Another importance of cleaning and caring for the item is preventing wear and tear. How many of you have seen some people wear shirts that are torn, or your shoes is torn at the front or at the back or down, or your shirt or short is torn somewhere? So you find people still wear these torn clothes, but you as a student, why would you want to keep it clean and care for it? It's because you want to prevent it from tearing and wearing. You want to keep on wearing something and maintaining its value, okay? So regular maintenance can help prevent wear and tear on items such as clothes, appliances, or furniture. For example, following care instructions on clothes labels can extend the lifespan. So for example, you've been given an instruction on how to wash a particular jeans or wash a particular shoes. Following these instructions will help you prevent the wear and tear, because when you look at the shoes, and maybe it's a shoes that doesn't need you to use a brush on it when washing, or you don't need to use soap on these shoes, you'll be able to take care of it and it will look new for a long time. But if you don't follow instructions, you will make these shoes tear and wear out. So one thing, or one importance of cleaning and caring for your item, is to prevent wear and tear. Another importance is hygiene and health. I have talked about hygiene in like almost every aspect of orderliness and cleanliness, and I will still keep talking about it because it's one thing that will always come when you want to maintain order, or when you want to take care of a certain item that is yours and clean it. So one importance of cleaning and caring for an item is maintaining hygiene and your health too, right? So cleaning and caring for items come in contract with your body, like personal hygiene. Items like toothbrushes, razors, etc. help prevent the spread of bacteria and promote good health. How many of you are already having problems where your teeth is very, very painful, or you're having cavities? I know maybe some of you, your teeth is a problem, or some of you maybe not. But one thing you have to do is properly clean your toothbrush after use. And caring for it means storing it well. You just don't use your brush and throw it anywhere, or you don't even just share your brushes. We don't share toothbrushes, okay? So do not share toothbrushes. And again, just don't brush and place your toothbrush anywhere. After brushing your toothbrush with your toothbrush, wash it properly. Make sure you've washed it clean. You've rinsed it well with clean water, and then store it in a place that is also well aerated, where it can be passed by with some air, okay? This will help prevent spread of bacteria, and hence your teeth will be good, and you will not have problems like cavities and such things. So do not share toothbrushes. Another importance of cleaning our personal items and caring for them is aesthetics. So what do I mean by this, class? So clean and well-maintained items look better and create more pleasant environment. This applies to your personal appearances, home decor, and more. So what do I mean by aesthetics? This is just beauty, okay? Aesthetics is beauty. If you want a certain shirt that you bought maybe 2 years ago to still use it and still wear it because you love it, you have to clean it and properly care for it by maintaining it, by ironing it if you need to iron it, and storing it in your wardrobe or in a nice place. So it will keep its beauty and it will look beautiful as always. So one thing you have to know is that, or one importance of cleaning your items is just to preserve its beauty and keep its aesthetics, okay? Another importance is efficiency, okay? Properly cared for tools and equipment such as kitchen appliances and gardening tools perform better and more effectively, saving your time and effort. This is very applicable. Let me give an example. How many of you in your homes you have these knives that they don't cut things well? They're not so sharp, so you take a lot of time cutting a tomato or cutting an onion or cutting vegetables. This is because no one took care of them. No one maybe cleaned them well or properly took care of them by maintaining them. So to promote efficiency, because you want to use a specific tool, you have to keep cleaning it and also maintaining it by properly storing it. So for example, this knife, if someone would have cleaned it and even keep sharpening it, by sharpening you're maintaining it, okay? So when you sharpen it, you will be able to use it well for a lot of time, and it will save even time and your effort. Another way, or another importance of cleaning and caring for your items is preventing damage. Now, what do I mean? Taking care of items can prevent damage and costly repairs. For example, regular maintenance of your car can prevent breakdown and extend lifespan. Now, when you properly, for example, some of you, your parents or your relatives might have cars, okay? So what do they do to maintain it and avoid damages? Is that they take care of it. They will clean it, they will maintain its engine so that they can prevent breakdowns and even use this car for a long time. So that you would find people who have had cars for years and years, they still have the same car. You'll hear that your grandfather is talking about a car that they bought maybe 20 years ago or 10 years ago or 5 years ago. They still have this car because they are maintaining it. So one importance is that of caring and taking care of your items is that you're preventing damage. You want to use it for a longer time, so you maintain it, you clean it, and you even take care of it. Okay, another importance is environmental responsibility. Another importance of cleaning and caring for items is environmental responsibility. So proper disposal and recycling of items, as well as reduced waste through care and maintenance, contribute to environmental stability. You live in a place where a lot of people drink a lot of bottled water or drinks from bottles. Okay, so what do you do when you see people throw these things out? To keep your environment clean and contribute to the maintenance of your environment and sustainability, as a good student, do not just walk. And I see most of you walk and you kick these bottles as you walk, you kick them as you move. This is okay if you're moving with it or you want to play with it, but after using it, take it as a good student and dispose it where it's supposed to be. This will help you maintain the environment. Okay, the environment will be clean, and even people will appreciate your effort that you're trying to do. It cannot go unnoticed. Okay, so if you're cleaning this environment, if you're taking care of the environment, people will notice this, people will see it. So as a good student, I want you to take care of the environment. So when you see waste down, do not litter, collect it and go through. Okay, another is emotional attachment. Another importance of cleaning and caring for items is the emotional attachment. Many items have sentimental value. Caring for them preserves the emotional attachment and memories associated with these possessions. I will give another example here. For example, your mother has, or your relative who lives far from you gave you a nice shirt or a nice bracelet. You will want to maintain it, or you will want to clean it and keep it safe, or when you're using it, use it in a way that it won't get destroyed. So this way you are emotionally attached to this thing, and when you're emotionally attached to items, you will tend to take care of them because you don't want to lose this value. You want to keep remembering your auntie when you look at this shirt or when you look at this necklace they gave you. You want to keep remembering them and appreciating them for what they did for you once. So you don't want to lose the emotional attachment. So one importance of caring for our items is that we want to keep our emotional attachment because they remind us of people we love or people who gave us a valuable item that we naturally value. Okay, another importance is financial savings. Regular maintenance is often more cost effective than replacing items prematurely. It can save you more money in the long term run. So when you're maintaining your items, what is the importance? It's because you will avoid buying things every time, so you will save on money. If you keep your clothes clean and well cared for and they look clean, you will be able to wear these clothes and save on your money. So when you need to buy, you will buy just a few things because you don't need it because you have it already. So one is financial saving. Another importance is safety. In some cases, like maintaining fire extinguishers or smoke detectors, proper care can be a matter, safety, even life-saving. Now, in your schools, I want you to go ask your friends or people to show you around where fire extinguishers are or smoke detectors. So these things are taken care of because they help us in time of danger. When someone is in need, you realize that you will need that fire extinguisher. So taking care of them will prevent some bad things from happening. Okay, so these are some of the importance of taking care of our items. So another importance, before I look at examples of things we need to take care of, we're still going to talk about the importance of cleaning these items. Okay, why do we need to clean our items and keep them safe? It's because we want to use them for a long time, so we want to see them and keep using them. You value items so much, so if you value them and you want to keep them for a long time, as a good student or a good pupil, you need to clean this item, you need to take care of this item and see that it's properly maintained for some safety reasons, for financial reasons, and even emotional awareness reasons. Okay,